Hallo Kinder, wie geht's euch? Hoffentlich gut. Jetzt beginnen machen wir weiter mit dem Arbeitsbuch Lektion 6. We have finished first 9 exercises of Arbeitsbuch. Now in this video we are going to solve exercise number 10 onwards from Arbeitsbuch, workbook. So everyone open the workbook, we'll start. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 57, Aufgabe 10. Was past ergänze. What is suitable? Fill up the correct blank. 4 words are given. Positive is positive. Günstig reasonable. Fat is fatty food. Ebenso is equal to genauso. Genauso means exactly. So ebenso is like exactly, also, both will be okay. Now I will explain you the meanings of the sentences, then you try which one will be correct. Nummer 1. Schau mal, wie gefällt dir die Tasche? Look at, how do you like the bag? Ich habe sie blank auf dem Flohmarkt bekommen. Flohmarkt is roadside shopping, usually street shopping. So I have got it in a weekly market, or you can simply say it is weekly market also. Sie hat nur 2 Euro gekostet. It has costed only 2 Euros. Nummer 2. Mike isst Fisch blank gern wie Fleisch. Michael likes to eat fish as good as meat. Dann Nummer 3. Dieses Jahr hat kein Schüler in den Abiturprüfungen eine 5 geschrieben. No one has got 5, means the lowest grade in the final exams. The director was dash überrascht. Überrascht is surprised. Nummer 4. Viele Leute essen total falsch. Many people eat absolutely wrong. Zu viel, zu süß. Zu viel is too much, too sweet, and too dash. So first you write the answer and then we will discuss the answers of the same. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 58, Aufgabe 11. Lies den Text, was ist richtig, unterstreiche. Read the text, whatever is correct, underline it. Hallo, ich habe eine Frage. Hello, I have one question. Wir ziehen Umziehen is to shift. We are shifting and suchen für unseren Sohn eine Schule im Norden von Köln. And we are searching for our son a school in the north of Köln. Köln is the name of the city. Gutes Schulessen ist für uns dabei sehr wichtig. Good school food is very important for us. Hat jemand einen Tipp? Does anyone has any tip? Then the tip is given. Hello Mummy Blue, this is the profile name. Unsere Tochter Kati wechselt im nächsten Jahr auf die Schule. Our daughter Kati changes the school last year. Deshalb haben wir uns verschiedene Fragen oder Alternativen angesehen. Angesehen means considered. Therefore, we have considered different alternatives is the correct answer given. They have given 2 words, you have to choose the correct one. Then Besten blank hat auf uns die Wolfgang Herdorf blank gemacht. Eindruck means impression, consume means consumption. On us, auf uns is on us, the Wolfgang Herrendorf Gesamtschule is the comprehensive school and Universität is university. Then the next sentence, die Schüler können zwischen vielen verschiedenen Fächern wählen. The students can decide between many different subjects. Wählen is to choose, zwischen is between, vielen verschiedenen Fächern means many different subjects. Und sie machen auch tolle Projekte. And they also do excellent projects. Das blank ist wirklich groß. Wirklich is really, groß is big. Angebot is offer. Material is material. Wir haben uns auch die Kantine angesehen. und waren von der Blank des Essens überrascht. We have also seen the canteen. Angesehen is seen. And we were surprised. Überrascht means surprised due to dash of the food. Leistung is performance. Qualität is quality. In dieser Schule kocht man nur mit frischen Zutaten. In this cook, one cooks only with fresh ingredients. Frischen is fresh, Zutaten is ingredients. Und das zeigt sich dann auch im Blank. And it is also seen, visible. Zeigen is to see, to be seen or to be visible in the. Abfall is garbage and Geschmack is taste. Wir haben selten so eine gute Gemüsesuppe gegessen. Selten means rarely. Rarely we have eaten such a good vegetable soup. So we never tasted such a very good vegetable soup. The blank hat uns erklärt. Erklärt means explain. Dass sie außerdem gute blank anbieten können. Fahrerin means driver. Directorin means director. Has narrated us, explained us. Erklären is to explain. That she means she or they. Here they. Außerdem besides. Good dash. Unbeaten können. Unbeaten is to offer. Can offer credit card and credit cards or prizes. While sie sehr günstig einkaufen, because they buy very reasonably. They buy reasonably, that's why they can give good dash. Auch unsere Tochter hat die Schule sehr gut gefallen. Also our our daughter liked the school very much. Then sie haben auch tolle AGs. AGs means clubs, because they have excellent clubs. For example, einen Sterngucker AG. Sterngucker is stargazing club. Eine Gourmet AG. Gourmet is like fashion designing. Kathi freut sich schon auf das nächste Schuljahr. Sich freuen auf is to look forward to. So Kathi is already looking forward to the next year. Once again, I am repeating, such paragraphs, such exercises are very important for vocabulary based questions. So they are important. So you find out the correct answers and then we will discuss the answers. Jetzt Aufgabe 12. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 58. Ordner zu, schreibt die Nomen mit Artikel. Here they have given the pictures and few words are given in the box. You have to write the correct word in front of correct picture and you are also supposed to write its article. First I will just explain you the meanings of the words. You can find out the articles from the vocabulary which is at the end of the chapter in Arbeitsbuch. You can refer that vocabulary and try to find out the articles. So mehl is flour, wheat flour or jawar flour or like maida, refined flour, something like that. Bohne means beans. Salz, salt. Zwiebel is onion. Käse, cheese. Oil. And pfeffer is black pepper powder. So you first try to solve the exercise, then we will discuss the same. Aufgabe 13. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 58. Schreib die Verben richtig. They have given the verbs jumbled. You have to find out the correct verb, proper verb there. So I will just explain you the meanings of the words which are given there. I won't explain the verb. Verb you try to find out. But the other words can help you to find out the verb. Nummer 1. Kuchen oder Brot. Backen. Backen is to bake, cake or bread. Nummer 2. Pfeffer, Salz und Oil. Pepper, salt and oil. Nummer 3. Zwiebel klein. Zwiebel means onions, klein means in small pieces. Nummer 4. Würstchen in der Pfanne. Sausages in the pan. Fifth one, Nummer 5, Käse. Käse is cheese. Nummer 6, Kartoffeln, potatoes. Nummer 7, Suppe. So you try to find out the correct word from the jumble words. You write it first, then we will discuss. Aufgabe 14 a. Nächste Seite. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 59. Aufgabe 14 a. Lies den Dialog und die Einkaufsliste. Read the dialogue and the shopping list. Ergänze wie im Beispiel. Ergänze wie im Beispiel means fill up in like in the example. Mutter, ich muss unbedingt einkaufen gehen. I must go for shopping at any cost. Wir brauchen kleine Nudeln. We need small noodles. Now they have just given the adjectives and the list is given here. For example, Käse should be fresh. Mehl should be hell. Hell means white color, bright color. Marmalade should be rot. Marmalade means jam. Noodle should be klein. So you need to use the correct noun there. Frischen, because adjectives they have given, adjective endings are given, you are just put the correct noun. Anika, schaust du mal? Anika, do you see? Ob wir noch rote blank haben? Whether we have still red blank? Anika says, ja, einen Moment, Mama. A moment, please, Mama. Also, rote blank is noch da, still there. Und frischer blank ist auch noch hinten im Kühlschrank. Is also behind in the refrigerator. Mutter says, ach wirklich, really? Das habe ich gar nicht gesehen. I haven't seen it. So now you try to fill up the correct noun for correct adjective. I hope the exercise is clear. Aufgabe C und D. We have already done it. It is just a revision sort. Unterstreiche in 14a die Adjektive vor dem Lebensmittel wie im Beispiel. Ergänze dann die Tabelle. Now with the help of example which we have seen in that dialogue, they have asked you to fill up this table. By the way, this is the table of without article, null article plus adjective. And for left hand side is nominative part, right hand side is accusative part. So Käse is the masculine one, so nominative ending will be er, whereas in the accusative one, accusative ending will be en. So the first will be da ist noch frischer Käse and wir brauchen frischen Käse. Here the ending changes only in case of accusative masculine only. Means you just need to take care. In case of masculine, you have to check whether it is subject or object, whether it is nominative or accusative, and accordingly you are supposed to write. Whereas male is neutral in nominative as well as in accusative, ending will be es itself, no change. Da ist noch helles Mehl, wir brauchen helles Mehl. Both will be es only. Similar, it is about Marmalade. Da ist noch rote Marmalade, wir brauchen rote Marmalade. So both will be e ending. Now in case of plural also, ending will be same. Da sind noch kleine Nudeln, kleine Nudeln. So wir brauchen kleine Nudeln. So in case of both the things, it is the same, ending will be the same. So masculine, only in case of masculine it changes. Feminine, neutral and plural, it remains the same. Now they have explained the rule also there. Lies the Regel, read the rule. Und unterstreiche and underline what is richtig, what is correct. Null Artikel heißt, dass es einen oder keinen Artikel vor dem Nomen gibt. So you already know null article means there is no article before the noun. So you will underline keinen. Du verwendest den Nullartikel immer, wenn du eine unbestimmte Mengenangabe machst. This is important point. You use the null article always. Whenever you are giving any undefinite quantity, means it is not specific one, any unspecific, undefined Nothing specific, quantity whenever you want to tell. You can also use null article. While after of the adjective endungen, please pay attention of adjective endungen in case of masculine. Der case, if it is nominative, it will be frischer case. Then case, whenever it is accusative, it will be frischen case. So in case of null article, you have to be careful in case of masculine nouns. There is no change in case of feminine, neutral and plural nouns. So their ending will be the same. But in case of masculine, you should be very alert. I hope it is clear to you. Nächste Aufgabe. Aufgabe 15. Auf der Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 59. Ergänze die adjective endungen. You have to fill up the adjective endings and all sentences are null article. Without article, second table you need to refer. I will just explain you sentences, then you can try to solve this exercise. Nummer 1. Du Mama, was braucht man eigentlich für ein Fondue? Oh Mama, what do one need actually? Fondue is the type name of one recipe. Man braucht zuerst mal gutes Fleisch. Fleisch is meat. Das Fleisch, it is accusative, so yes. Und dann verschieden Soßen auch. Soßen is plural here. Sausages, not sausages, sauce. Different types of sauce are required. So according to plural, and you have to check the case also, it is accusative because man is nominative, and according to second table you need to write the article. Nummer 2. Was möchten Sie als Nachspeise haben? What would you like to have as a dessert, sweet dish? Wir haben sehr lecker blank Apfelkuchen. Apfelkuchen is apple cake. Lecker is tasty. Ach nein, Kuchen möchte ich nicht. I don't want cake. Aber haben Sie vielleicht frisch blank Ananas? Perhaps do you have fresh ananas? Check the article of ananas and then write accordingly. Nummer 3. Was steht denn hier im Kühlschrank? Is this Cola? What is there in the refrigerator? Is it Cola? Nein, das ist kalt blank Kaffee. Ich möchte mir einen Eiskaffee machen. This is cold coffee. I would like to make a cold coffee with ice. Schau mal, Nummer 4. Look at, here steht, heute für Schüler im Angebot. Today there is an offer for students. Lecker means tasty burger and cold cola only for 350 Euro. 3.50. Super, ich habe echt Hunger. Echt means really I am hungry. Nummer 5. Schau mal, was hier in der Anzeige steht. What is given in this advertisement? Verkaufe witzig T-Shirt und rot blank Gürtel zusammen 5 Euro. And there is a sale is witzig is funny T-shirt and red belt together for 5 Euro. Zeig mal, is da auch ein Foto? Is there any other photo also? Means of T-shirt and belt? Now in the box it is given, then null article verwendet man auch oft in Anzeigen. That such type of without article adjective endungens are often used in the advertisements. Anzeigen means advertisement. So you try to solve the exercise first, then we will discuss the answers.